Are you ready to set up automated recurring billing or installment plans directly from inside Salesforce processes? My name is Robert, and I am from Chargent. If you're a Salesforce admin or a consultant who's ready to streamline recurring billing in Salesforce, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll show you how Chargent Anywhere can make this process seamless no matter which Salesforce object we're working with. Chargent Anywhere is a powerful tool that simplifies recurring billing and payment management directly in Salesforce while ensuring PCI compliance. Fully configurable on any Salesforce object, it adapts seamlessly to your specific business needs. Whether you're looking to set up installment plans in Salesforce with Chargent, managing subscriptions, payments, or processing one-time transactions, Chargent Anywhere provides flexible and automated recurring billing solutions. Best of all, it saves you time and streamlines your workflows. Let's dive into setting up recurring payment using Chargent Anywhere's payment console. After logging into Salesforce, navigate to the object where you configure your Chargent Anywhere. In this case, we've added the component into the opportunity object. Click Payment Console. If you have more than one gateway, then select the gateway you'll like to use. If you only have one gateway, this screen will be skipped. Next, you can enter the customer's billing information. You can also choose a pre-existing payment method, allowing you to use a saved token. Verify the card or bank account information and toggle the payment to recurring. You'll have the option to provide an initial amount to be charged immediately or just schedule a recurring payment set to start based on the criteria you'll choose on the next step. Go ahead and click Next. Here, you can select your payment schedule, such as frequency, payment start date, and payment stop rule. Click Next to review the payment schedule. If everything looks good, go ahead and click Start Recurring Billing. You're all set. Your customer recurring billing will be charged based on the payment schedule you've set up. Before we move on, I want to remind you that you can try Chargent for free for 30 days. Getting set up is easy and it takes just 10 minutes. And if you get stuck, we're here to help you every step of the way. Get paid faster with Chargent in Salesforce by clicking the link above or in the description below. We'll make sure to make the most out of your free trial, so don't hesitate any longer and start now. Now, let's look at how Salesforce tracks these payments with real-time record updates and automation. With Chargent Anywhere, all scheduled recurring payments are logged in the Chargent ordered related list, making it easy to manage your subscription. This allows you to monitor your payment history, check the recurring schedule, and ensure everything is running smoothly, all without leaving Salesforce. So to recap, Chargent Anywhere makes it easy to configure recurring billing or installment plans from any Salesforce object, whether you're using a new payment method or an existing one. Chargent's flexibility and automation saves you time and reduces manual work. My name is Robert, and I am from Chargent, where we're dedicated to helping you make Salesforce payments simple. Remember to click the link in the description to start your free 30-day trial. And for more helpful tips, watch the next video here. And remember, at Chargent, we're always here to help.